Welcome to another Royal Family meeting. Welcome. If you are new here, it is I, your host, the Royal Baddie. And if you are returning, welcome back, family member. I'm glad to have you back again, Baddie. And in today's meeting, I'm just gonna be filling like a few tubes. I'ma just be filling some tubes and showing y'all the new lip gloss that I got on the way. So I hope you guys enjoy this content. Let me know how you feel about it, and also comment and let me know what type of content you want to see from me. Do you want more lip gloss content? Do you want to learn more about lip gloss? Do you want to see more vlogs from me? What do you want? All of it. Let me know so I can give y'all the content that y'all would like to see. Before we hop into the meeting, if you would like to catch more of my vibe, you can follow me on Instagram at the RoyalBaddie. If you would like to listen to any of my vibes, you can on YouTube at the RoyalBaddie. And if you would like to see more clips and behind the scenes of RoyalBaddieCosmetics, you can check out our Instagram page at RoyalBaddieCosmetics. And go check out our website. After you do all that, go check out our website. The lip gloss that I just showed you guys will be available soon. And go check it out. We got pigmented lip gloss. We got clear lip gloss. We got all the lip gloss for your needs. We got signature lip gloss. Go check it out. Okay. And without further ado, now we can hop right into the meeting. I really need to figure out, I'm recording on 2 cameras, that's why I'm looking back and forth. I'm recording for my YouTube, and then YouTube I'm recording for Instagram. So I really need to figure out how to get these bubbles out. This lip gloss is called High Maintenance, but all these bubbles is throwing me off. So I need to figure out I'm going to figure out how to get these bubbles out. I'm assuming maybe I have to add more coconut oil or something, but yeah, I gotta get these bubbles out so it could just be straight lip gloss. But once I figure that out, then I will be back to let you guys know. Instagram, check out our YouTube page, link is in the bio. If you want to learn more about lip gloss and you want to see like more in depth, and if you would like to see me get lit sometimes, check out our YouTube page. The link is in the bio. Okay. And for all my Royal family members, I hope you guys enjoyed this Baddie business meeting. If you enjoyed the meeting, comment a pink bow. Let me know something that you learned too. And if you would like to catch more of my vibe, you can follow me on Instagram at the RoyalBaddie. And if you would like to listen to any of my vibes, you can on YouTube at the RoyalBaddie. And if you would like to see what goes on behind the scenes, like little short clips and stuff, check out our Instagram page at RoyalBaddieCosmetics. And then after you do all that, make sure you go check out our website, RoyalBaddieCosmetics.com. This lip gloss will be dropping soon. I am in love with this lip gloss. I'm thinking about, like, at first I had just a plain clear lip gloss I was offering, but I don't think I'm gonna offer just a plain clear lip gloss. I think this will take the place. I'm thinking about that, so let me know what y'all think. And all my lip glosses, y'all, are lightly scented, so do y'all like that or not? But if y'all don't like it, then y'all can always like email me or something after y'all make y'all order and let me know that y'all don't want no scent in y'all lip gloss. But that's really all for this meeting, Royal family. I'm mad that I didn't feel more. I thought I was gonna be feeling like a lot of tubes, but I feel like I gotta buy more of these charms, and yeah, I gotta buy more so it can be all through the lip gloss, because it's very sparse. Well, it's not very, but it's sparse. So yeah, that's all for this meeting, Royal family. Until next time, meeting adjourned. Bye.